Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to reinstall the tailgate spoiler and the two side deflectors on Lexus NX. Okay, we need to side the two side plastic. You need to check the clips, everything. Let's first put in the bottom and hit it on. Okay, when we put back the two side covered, we need to have a look and reposition all clip just in the correct position, everything in the corner, and then we just gently, don't scratch the paint over the holes. Okay, we can see through here with the clips. Let's check other side, everything on the correct position. Okay, the right side is no really want. Maybe need to move lightly the screw. Okay, looks like good, and just one big tap. Looks like this. Okay, then when we open the tailgate, we need to plug back the tailgate lights and the heating wire loom, and then we just screw back to the I start with the two side 10mm screw. Don't need tight enough, don't need very tight because plastic and very easy to broken, so I say maybe 5 Nm, between 10 Nm is enough. This screw nut still don't need very tight. Don't forget the other side in the plastic hose, so still easy to broken if you tight with the high torque. Okay, don't forget putting back this whole cover rubber both side. Okay, and then check the clips in the correct position and just put back gently and start press in with the side, and we need to hearing 5 clicking noise. All right, check the gap. If everything fine, we are done. We just put like this. And let's close it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.